Greetings, one and all. Representing Team Amigos, me and my colleagues are very much honored and grateful to be a part of this instituted activity which is organized by TPO and especially the Personality Development Club. With that note, I would like to initiate this introduction segment. Myself, Nikita Kishore Udpi. I am born and brought up in Karad itself. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in second year Electronics and Telecommunication branch from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am an organizing committee member of Dias Club as well as I am a member of Robo Club. I have good understanding of languages such as C, basics of Python. I am also good at using MS Excel and currently I am working on CPP and data structures and algorithm. I also have keen interest in embedded systems, so I have also gained information and worked with Arduinos as well. Speaking about the extracurricular activities, I have represented my college in district and central level in English elocutions as well as interlanguage debate in the youth festival. Well, in my hobbies include reading books, writing, trekking, and playing chess. Speaking about the sports, I have represented my school many times in district level chess competitions. I am confident, optimistic, and I believe in parallel tasking. I have many skills to contribute, including being detail oriented, analytical, and driven. My current goal is to gain better understanding of the ongoing software developments. Thank you. That's about me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Now, I would like to call upon Aditi to give her introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Ravindra Chaugule. I am basically from Sangli and currently I am pursuing my BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Now coming to the point of my extracurricular activities, then I am the part of Team Hurricane, that is SAE India, and the committee member of Cultural Committee. I'm good at C programming and currently working on C++ and Python. Now coming to the point of my sports, then I have played the district level skating competition. I have worked as a coordinator of Science Day event, which was conducted by the college in first year. Also, I have volunteered the youth young warrior event, which was about the awareness of COVID-19. Now coming to the point of my strengths, then my strengths are my positive attitude, punctuality, flexibility, and also as a good extrovert, I can talk to the people in well and good manner. I have completed my certified course of Google, which was about the fundamentals of digital marketing. So that's it about me. Thank you. Now I'll call the Atharva Kotagi for his introduction. Over to you, Atharva.
So hello everyone, myself Atharva Anil Kodgi. I live in Gadinglaj and I'm from district Kolhapur. I live in Gadinglaj with my parents, with my father and my mother. My father is a small businessman while my mother is a housewife. Talking about my strengths, I am very good at making communications with other people and I am also good at grasping many various things in small amount of time and I'm good at analyzing various things and apply in various different fields. I like to listen various types of music. I like to travel with research purpose or historical. I also like to with play games like cricket, football, and carom. I also like to collect various things like antique coins and antique stones. So that's all about myself. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to express myself. I would like to forward this to Mayuri Patil. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayuri Ajay Patil. I am from Nandura district, Buldana. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Apart from my academics, I am learning C and C++ languages. Also, I am a committee member of a cultural committee. My strengths are I am a well-focused, self-motivated and hard-working person. My short-term goal is to get job in a reputed company and my long-term goal is to complete my MS. And my hobbies are playing badminton and reading books. Thank you. Now I would like to hand it over to Renuka.
Hello everyone, my name is Renuka Avina Sharbat. I am from Shegaon district, Buldana. I had done my schooling from Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj English School, Shegaon and HSC from Zilla Parishad Agarkar, Akola. Currently, I am pursuing my degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Moving on to my hobbies, I like sketching and reading books. Also, I am good at C programming and working on other programming languages. Talking about sports, I have played district level kho and badminton matches. My strengths are I am creative, focused, and multitasking. This is all about me. Thank you. Now I would like to hand it over to Pranav.
Hey there, I am Pranav Ashokrao Upadhyay and I am 19 years old. I belong to Parbhani from the Maharashtra. Currently, I am in the second year and pursuing the degree of a BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Overviewing about my current skills, I have knowledge of C, C++ of programming languages and basic of the HTML. I have also certified by Google in fundamentals of the digital market. Currently, I am exploring myself in upgrading the skills of cloud computing, Python, and in the networking. If I go on about talking myself, I am always being a self-motivated person. I always like to work in a team because it gives me a challenges. I always like to do work on time or before time. I am always being a passionate personality. Let's talking about my hobbies. I like to listen the music, reading the books, and writing the articles. I have also participated in the TPO's activity of article writing and I have secured a second rank in the first team. That's all about me. Now I would like to hand it over to Shubhada. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our TPO group for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shubhada Gaikwad. I am from Satara district, Maharashtra. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech course in Electronics and Telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Apart from my academics, I'm interested in coding. I have knowledge of C, Python, data structure, MS Excel, basic of HTML and CSS. Recently, I have made a small project using MS Excel for medical store, which helps to search its medicine, availability, its price, expiry date, etc. I'm interested in data science field. Talking about my hobbies, I enjoy reading books and dancing. I am self-motivated, focused, and passionate person. My current goals are learn new things and apply those things to solve real-world problems. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.
Hello, myself Revati Avdut Erende. I am born and raised in Karat itself. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karat. I am interested in programming languages because I am passionate about new technology, creativity, and problem solving. I have precise knowledge of programming languages like C, C++, and basics of Python. I have also done certificate course of Python language and along with it I have also completed a course on web development. I have participated as a group member in Science Day event conducted by our college. Other than academics, my hobbies includes drawing, Kathak, classical dancing, digital drawing, poster making. I am a committee member of cultural committee. Talking about my strengths, I am detail oriented and good at multitasking and creative ideas, which helps me to be productive and efficient. I want to improve my skills, my knowledge, and my personality to be a better version of me. That's all about me. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. Going ahead, I would like to hand it over to Sakshi Bodke.
Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Raghunath Bodke. I am from Kolhapur. Talking about my educational qualification, I am currently pursuing BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering in Government College of Engineering, Karat. Coming to my extracurricular activities, I like to play Kho and I have represented my school as well as college in state level Kho competition as team captain. I have a good knowledge of HTML and C programming and now I am working on C++ and Python. I am self-motivated, well-disciplined, and hardworking person. I have also completed my certification in fundamentals of digital marketing from Google. My hobbies are watching movies, reading books, and drawing. My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed company and improve my skills and knowledge. And my long-term goal is to achieve a desired position where I can build my career and help the organization. Thank you. Now Sahil will introduce himself. Over to you, Sahil.
Hello everyone, I'm Sahil Hedau and I live in Ordnance Factory Estate, Itarsi. I have done my schooling up to 10th from Kendriya Vidyalaya and 11th 12th from J.H. Raisoni Vidyaniketan, Nagpur. Currently, I'm studying in Government College of Engineering, Karad for BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. In first year, I have assisted in a science day project of a smart blind stick using Arduino. Also, I have learned programming languages like C and Python. Other than this, I am fond of astronomy and cricket. Thank you.